Afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. All of you, please get ready. We want to take one class photo today. Please.
Today,
Yeah, today.
so with
Like, we
my
want to, yeah, take photo together.
this period only.
Yeah, this period only. This 1 minute for that.
So how are we supposed to take a class photo?
Yeah, I just taking a screenshot in that
What I'm
system.
telling, ma'am.
Sahanan, Khadija, turn on your camera. Ayan, you please also. Where is Ifa?
I'll message her.
Okay.
I'll bring the.
7 students are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zaira needs to join. Yes. All are looking so beautiful today, Ayan, Hanan. As Hadija, if you want, yeah, you can remove the cap here because we want to take today one group photo. So if you want to for the scarf, wear the scarf, you can do that.
Okay.
And then can you, fine, Zaira. Where is if I am here?
They joined, but then they left.
If I join, you can put Zaira. Zaira. Did you created the list which are these unwanted classes and everything? You can share to me with my number. Okay.
I don't have anything, ma'am. Only like from the second term, I have that
Okay.
English and Maths 4.1 assignment and the holidays, not
Okay.
holidays.
What about others? I'm also asking about the classroom also. If you have any unwanted classroom like the previous classrooms like homework club or craft club. Okay.
So I have
Oh,
the homework
yeah,
club.
I do.
Do you
I
have
have
that?
two and
Which are them, Nuha?
I first there's Malayalam special class which I don't go to it anymore,
Okay.
and there is what is
Okay,
it?
next. Then
Yeah, I think that's it.
only one you have. You
Yeah.
have. Okay. What about you, Aya? Aya? Do you have any
Uh,
classes in
no, I don't think so. I don't have.
Yeah, just go and search that. It's like unwanted classroom, like the previous classroom, homework club, speaking club, special class related. So Hanan, Shakra, Khadija, do you have any classes?
In my archived,
Which one, Hanan?
in my archived, there is archive classes, right?
Archive classes. That's not mean that. Hmm. Where is Zairaj?
I don't know, but you can you see me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Uh, I think Zaira might be absent. I don't know why, but she might be absent. And also I have homework club.
If is it possible to contact her? Could you please contact her?
Yeah. Ma'am, yeah, tomorrow we have a science assembly,
Science
right?
assembly, yeah, right, on B3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have that class. Zaira, why are you absent today? Everybody's waiting. Can you join first? Um, ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have the unwanted class.
Okay, yes. What about
I
Shak?
have the homework club.
Homework club is the homework there.
Don't have any unwanted classes.
No, Khadija, I didn't get.
I
Oh,
don't have.
Okay, okay, okay.
and also the Mage Meetup Abu Dhabi.
Which one? Meetup. Okay.
The Mage Meetup Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, meet the bio.
Oh, Ifa, what she said? Ifa?
She hasn't even seen the message yet. I think. Yeah. Hold on. Let me miss call. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. She heard the message.
Okay, okay. You send a message urgent like that.
She's recording the message now. Ma'am, she has an emergency, like a family emergency, so she's going to Ajman. She most likely won't attend in the class today.
Yeah, just tell her to join just for only for 1 minute. What she said? Huh?
She hasn't replied yet. Oh, wait, she's replying.
Okay, we can take. Maybe we can expect to.
Yeah, she said just a minute. So she'll maybe join.
Khadija, just it's a classroom photo, Khadija. I told you to remove the cap. Just wear the scarf or something like that, Khadija.
Okay.
Khadija, what are you saying? Okay, okay. So this video maybe we will publish in our website also. So that's it.
Hello,
Zaira?
ma'am.
Yeah, hello. What happened today, Zaira?
Ma'am, I got an emergency, so I'm going to attend, ma'am.
Did you inform to the office or your class teacher, Zaira?
No, ma'am. It was like a sudden emergency, ma'am.
On your camera. We want to take one photo. Class photo.
My camera is on, ma'am. My camera is on.
No, no, it's not on. We can't see
Check. I don't know what happened. It is on, ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, can we take the class photo tomorrow?
No, it's not visible, Zaira.
No, ma'am. Can we take the class photo tomorrow?
I didn't get Zaira.
Can we take the class photo tomorrow?
What she said? If I
Can we take the class photo tomorrow?
tomorrow. Yes, try to fix today, Zaira. Because today, tomorrow is Friday.
Friday,
Maybe
there's no
most of them,
class.
yeah, there is no class for some students. So just share your screen, Zaira.
Ma'am, there is no class today, tomorrow.
There is class, but we some students like me and Shalpa don't have class.
Only the subject classes are organized tomorrow. Zaira, please share your screen, Zaira. Okay, you can leave, Zaira. Didn't inform the any message to the office or anything. It will also affect your score, your. Okay, now we are taking the photo. You can leave, Zaira. Okay, okay, smile.
Ma'am, where is our science teacher?
Oh
Like,
yeah.
should she come at this time?
Wait. 1 second also. Please,
My
please
God.
put your hands, please, hands down. Shakira, listen here, dear. Shakira,
Why are we actually
please.
taking a class photo?
Yeah, we want to upload the photos in our website. So that's right. Shakira,
Oh, the
Shakira, please.
world is seeing this. Hold on, let me change my glasses.
Yeah. Just comb your hair, Ayan.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay, yes.
What is
Okay.
the magazine website called?
Oh, oh.
Oh, are you ready, Ifa?
Pink one was better.
Okay. Keep smile. Okay, got it. You want to show that?
Yeah.
I'll show you that. I don't know. It's going to be Canva. So I'll show you tomorrow. That will be better. Because of time
Okay.
also. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.